it's Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Crochet Digest, Season 1, Episode 6. We're outside The Secret Yarnery, actually on our lovely veranda. Loving it. It's raining today, so I'm getting caught up on the temperature blanket. Super excited. Weather is perfect for crocheting on a blanket, finally. It is 21 degrees Celsius, so perfect for a blanket on your lap. Got Churchy with me, where he's also sleeping it off. And this week we are having a live chat on this channel, so that's on Friday. I will link it right after this video, so if you just stay tuned, it'll automatically redirect you to the live chat and you can just click set a reminder. Tutorial coming out this weekend is for the hexagons. You can use hexagons to make anything. It's a zigzag hexie, so super cute, easy pattern and really good stash buster. We have family visiting from St. Louis, so that is super fun. So nice to have them around, so lovely. And the yarn shopping video, I said it was going to be last weekend, but it's going to be this weekend. And there is also the family members live chat that is on Monday, and we'll be starting a crochet along together for a classy cardi. So really excited about that. Stay tuned if you want to see more about that. And the newsletter, forgot to tell you about that. You can sign up for that over on my website, secretyarnery.com. Gave away a free pattern this week, so I hope you have already subscribed to it. If not, it's not too late. Hop over and subscribe and you won't miss out on anything that's coming up. I send out an email every Wednesday plus another one on the weekend, so there's always a chance to get something great in your inbox. So that's it for me. Going back to my temperature blanket, I can't wait for it to be on my bed. It's so great. So stay hooked. Let me just get it and see what else I was supposed to say. Right. Got the notes, forgot the notes. I don't want to forget to tell you something. Get my blankie back on me. Hi, it's Krista outside The Secret Yarnery. Raining here today. Perfect day to get caught up on the temperature blanket. No. Hi, it's Krista outside The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Crochet Digest, Season 1, Episode 7. 6? Episode 6. Okay, try to piece that together. Good luck. Good luck.